So what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Ah! Hi y'all doing and welcome to this edition of Simon Says, So What's Up? AKA that one app that made us forget that we actually used to text. Hey, I still text. Wait, please call me, they don't count as text. Oh. Yeah, even your grandmother's on WhatsApp, still trying to figure out why she can't see your status updates though. Because we know you blocked her. You blocked your grandmother and all she's trying to do is to be happy while she sees you live your life. You're blocking your grandmother to her death. Death blocker. Now apart from the personal and private ways that we use WhatsApp, there are some of us who use WhatsApp for business purposes. And we know you guys who constantly keep on posting your products and services all over your status updates. We know you. So I'm going to help you get better returns on your WhatsApp for your business and stop being annoying brats to your contacts. First, let me address the girls who sell shoes, bags, clothes, weaves, even dildos. Girls got needs. We see your never-ending stock that you bought from China, Uganda, Dubai, Tanzania, and you're marking out the price in order to make a profit. We see you. There's nothing wrong with what you're doing, but you need to increase the amount of people that actually interact with your WhatsApp status updates. First, instead of constantly uploading images that you downloaded off the internet and then keep on recycling them over and over again, get the actual product and make a short clip of you actually interacting with the product. This will help your potential customers see that your product is indeed, one, in your hands, and will make the product seem real and authentic. Your customers will interact more with your WhatsApp status updates if they see that indeed your product is within reach. So a short clip will go a long way in increasing interactivity, better than just a mere picture, in helping you interact with your potential customers. Now another thing you can do is make a short clip of you actually interacting with your product, either reviewing it or talking about it. Now when you give an honest review of how your product is, or maybe how you feel when you're interacting with the product, this will help gain trust between you and your potential customer. And you know business is all about trust. If people trust you, then they will have a higher tendency of buying things from you. So make videos of you interacting with your products and stop uploading downloaded images and keeping on recycling them. Watch ISO. Now the musicians, YouTubers, vloggers, basically people like me, stop sending people random links over and over again. That's annoying and it can get you blocked. What you need to do is make a short version of the longer version of your video and then post it on your WhatsApp status. Then you post a link of the long video on the next status update. This will give you better returns because someone who actually is interested in the short clip that you showed them will actively go to watch your video on the next status update. When you send a link to someone with no explanation of what the heck this is, that is borderline rude. You didn't even say hi or anything. Akuna! You just come in and then rape someone with a link. Guys, and you're here hoping for consent. Link rapist. Blocked! Now there's some of you who send links with the longest explanations ever. Now this is okay if you don't constantly send links every single time to your contacts. But if you actually send long messages every single week to your contacts, my friend or your friend? My friend, you will get blocked. So whenever you want to promote anything through a personal message via WhatsApp, first send them a hello, send my hi, send my WhatsApp, or how y'all doing? Then allow the person to actually respond before you give them the long explanation. Because if you hit someone with a text longer than a Slay Queen's weave, my friend or your friend, my friend, you'll be left ignored and nothing but blue ticks. Because honestly, people are tired of being advertised to. So basically focus on making short little videos for your WhatsApp status updates so that people can actually see that you need your products or your services are actually authentic. And if you're doing music videos, make sure you chop it down into short little clips that people can actually eat little bits and pieces through your WhatsApp status. Of course, make sure you have the link to the full video on the next status update for those who may actually want to go and see the whole thing. Remember, the ultimate goal is that you want people to actually consume your content and not just ignore it and go about their daily lives. You want them to actually see what you are trying to offer them. And that's all from this edition of Simon Says. Now make sure you like this video. You can leave a comment underneath on what you thought. Do you think that these little tips and bits and pieces will actually be be helpful to you in order for you to grow your business via WhatsApp. Hit me with a comment underneath there. I love it when you do that. Please do. And also at the same time, you can also contact me here in case you want some more specific advice for WhatsApp or any other digital platform so that I can be of help to you. Contact me, here to help you in order for you to grow. Alright? The main thing is making content for your consumers to actually consume, not just sending links left, right, and center. Making content for your consumer to actually consume. That is the key. Alright? Simon says, out.